Today's topic is Cayley-Hamilton theorem, how to find A inverse. Using a Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we have to find the A inverse for the given matrix. So first step, you have to write the characteristic equation. First we will be writing the characteristic equation. Okay. So what is the characteristic equation? A minus lambda I equal to 0. So the determinant we write it in this format: 2 minus lambda minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus lambda minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus lambda. The determinant value equal to 0. I will write the shortcut, or normal determinant you can calculate it. So the shortcut is lambda cube minus s1 into lambda squared plus s2 into lambda minus s3 equal to 0. Okay, now I will find all your S1, S2, S3. Okay, so what is that formula? S1 is nothing but sum of the diagonal elements. Okay, so S1 nothing but it is the sum of the diagonal elements, 2 plus 2 plus 2. So it is nothing but 6. Okay, S2 is nothing but sum of the minor diagonal elements. So first diagonal elements is 2, means corresponding row and column omit it. So the remaining elements 2 minus 1 minus 1 2 plus next diagonal elements is 2, this 2. So correspondingly row and column omit and write it in a matrix format. So 2 1 1 2. Okay, plus third diagonal elements is this. Okay, corresponding row and column you omit. So you write it in a determinant format: 1 minus 1 2. So calculate the value: 4 4 minus 1 3. So 4 4 minus 1 3. So 4 4 minus 1 3. So it is nothing but 9. Okay. So S3 you can calculate in a calculator for a determinant. The determinant value is nothing but 4. I am getting the determinant value when I do in a calculator, it's 4. So everything we have to substitute in the given equation. Now when I substitute it, lambda cube minus 6 lambda squared plus 9 lambda minus 4 equal to 0. This is our characteristic equation. So now what we are going to do? We are going to apply the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So what is our Cayley-Hamilton theorem? So Cayley-Hamilton theorem by Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So replace lambda by a. So it is nothing but a cube minus 6a squared plus 9a minus 4I equal to 0. Okay, you check. Okay, now what it is asked to find. So correspondingly we have to bring the elements. It is A inverse we have to find. So in this equation you multiply by A inverse. Throughout you multiply by A inverse. Okay, when I multiply it, okay, so multiply by A inverse on equation 1. Okay, when I multiply it, A squared minus 6a plus 9 minus 4 A inverse equal to 0. So now I need only A inverse. I will bring the A inverse term this side. Okay. So remaining term this side. So 4 is there. So 1 by 4 I have to write 1 by 4 into remaining elements to the right hand side. So it's nothing but A squared. Okay. So A squared, already minus symbol is there. So I need not change the symbol. But here it is plus, means you have to change the symbol throughout. That and all you should not forget it. Okay, so A squared minus 6a plus 9I is your A inverse. This is our A inverse. Okay, but we have to calculate the data. Okay, the equation is 1 by 4 into A squared minus 6a plus 9I. For that we need A is given in the question, but A squared we need to calculate it. So A squared you have to calculate. Okay, you can calculate in a calculator also A squared, matrix multiplication. Okay. So now A squared I am going to calculate it. A squared, A matrix into A, I will get A squared. So matrix you can write it 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, 2. Again one more time A. So it is nothing but 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2. So matrix multiplication. Normal without calculator also you can multiply it, or you use the calculator and you can multiply it. So we got the answer to be 6 minus 5, 5. So minus 5, 6 minus 5, 5. So minus 5, 6. So completed. A square matrix has been calculated. Now A inverse I have to calculate each data. So A inverse I have to find. It's nothing but 1 by 4 into A squared value. A squared value substitute as it is. You have it 5 minus 5. I will write a little smaller. Lengthy. Okay. 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6. Okay, completed. A square data completed. Minus 6 times of A. So minus symbol only I will have 6 times I will multiply it with respect to A. So 6 times you have to multiply it. So it's nothing but 12. So minus 6, 6. So minus 6, minus 6 only no. So minus 6. Here 12, here minus 6. Okay, here when you check it 6. So minus 6, 12. Okay, so completed. Plus 9 times of unit matrix. So 9 times means 9, 0, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 0, 9. Okay, write all this like a single matrices. Okay, so calculate all, add all, each element, A11 element, do the calculation and you have to write 1 by 4 as it is, you keep it outside itself. So when I write the element 6 minus 12 plus 9, so calculate it. So 15, 15 minus 12, so 3. Okay, 3 here. Same way here you calculate it. So minus 5 plus 6, 0. Okay, so it is nothing but 1. Correct? Plus 6 minus 5, so 1. So here you calculate it 5 minus 6, so minus 1. Same way here, minus 5 plus 6, 0. So it is nothing but minus 1 plus 6, so 1 plus 1. Here also 6 plus 9 minus 12. So it is 3. So again here when you calculate it, minus 5 plus 6, so 1. So in this element 5 minus 6. So it is minus 1. Okay, in this when you calculate minus 5 plus 6, 1. So in this when you calculate 6 minus 12, so minus 6 plus 9, so 3. So this is our A inverse answer. So what is our A inverse answer? 1 by 4 into this matrix. So completed. A inverse we have completed. Okay. So thank you.